So sleep apnea,
Yes.
you treat that as a dentist. In fact, we've talked about no more CPAP. Some people, I guess, just can't wear CPAPs. So what do you do as a dentist to help people, either the chronic snorers or the people that have sleep apnea?
Well, Randy, depending on what study you look at, over 60% of the people don't even wear their CPAP. So what we do is we can make them a comfortable mouthpiece, an appliance that they can wear that allows them to breathe at night. It'd be a nice thing for people to breathe all night long, not wake up multiple times in the middle of the night because they stop breathing. And it's not just about sleeping or snoring, it's about what it does to the rest of their body. It affects all our vital organs.
Because you're kind of stressed out. I mean,
Yes.
is this true? You think you're sleeping, but you're not.
You're not sleeping. Your body is constantly waking you up in the middle of the
Do
night.
you have proof of this?
Yes, we actually have sleep tests that show you how many times your body forces you awake just to keep you from dying so that you can breathe.
Okay. So these people breathe just fine all day long. They're walking around breathing fine, but then they lay down at night, and what? Their tongue drops back, their jaw drops back, and
Their
what?
airway closes.
And you make an appliance that what? Just opens it up?
Yes, it gently helps to keep their airway open so it doesn't close in the middle of the night, which is what stops them from breathing.
So what's easier to treat, the sleep apnea or the people that are loud snorers?
Most of the loud snorers have sleep apnea, so a lot of the times we're treating both at the same time, which their spouses are happy about.
So more men get sleep apnea than women, I've been told. Do a lot of and you say they sleep in separate rooms sometimes.
Yes, they've been kicked out. They're not together in the same room anymore simply because the other person's losing sleep just because this person is snoring all night.
Do you have stories where they're back in the same room again?
Yes, I do. Or even can put up with each other now because they're not upset that they lost so much sleep the night before.
Do they feel better? I mean, so since they don't know they're not sleeping, once you make this custom-made appliance, they're sleeping better. Do they have more energy?
They have more energy and they lose weight. Their medical doctors are happy because they're healthier people overall.
Now, is it true? Because I know, look, we've had a lot of anti-aging, longevity medicine doctors come on the program, and they now are accepting where they send dentists, qualified dentists, their sleep apnea patients. Are you seeing more and more of the buy-in with the doctors, with the medical doctors?
I am. Medical doctors like to collaborate with dentists so that the patient has an overall health plan, an overall wellness plan, and that has helped them with their other treatments that they're trying to do with the patient, like control their high blood pressure, help them with their diabetes and other systemic issues.